Hello everybody, this is Nora. Welcome to my very first video of 2018. I'd like to wish everyone a happy, safe, prosperous new year. And for this video today, I am going to do a version. This is going to be inspired by one of Robin Moses' latest designs with my own personal twist. As you can see here, my nails, I already have them prepped with a clear base coat, and the shiny what that you see on my skin, that is the latex already dry, since we're going to do some stamping. And yes, I have filed down my claws just a bit, shaped them more oval like. For this design, I am going to use this metallic dark gray polish by Bariel, and the name of it is Silhouette, right there. I am going to use this as my base, and since I don't have a sheer black, and once before when I did something, I don't have a sheer black at all, what I do, you'll see what I do is I actually stamp my base to give it somewhat of a sheer look with this right here, which is what I use for my white bases when I do gradients, and I'm going to show you how I go about that. So this is where I'm going to start out with as a base, and then we'll do the stamping in black, and we'll move on to the rest of the tutorial. So here are my nails already stamped. I stamped the base color for that sheer look, and this is the plate that I'm going to use for the design. Is this one right here by Pween 33, and this is the design that I'm going to use to stamp in black. The next color that I'm going to use as a base for the leopard print is this one by Zoya, and this is a very pretty nude. It has a semi-metallic sheen to it, very subtle. It's one of my favorites, and the name of it is Minka. Now to trace my lines, guys, I am going to use this black paint from Wildflowers. I find this to already come in the perfect consistency for fine lines when drawing, rather than me attempting to use acrylic paint and mixing it with water. Of course you can do that, but ever since I've noticed Lauren come up with these paints, they really are perfect for that, because I mean, they come already ready to be used for fine lines and drawing. There's no having to mix it with water. So I'm going to use this in a fine detail brush to trace the black lines around my nude color. Okay, now that I have given my nude color enough time to dry, I went ahead and also created the border around the nails off camera because I have to bring the nails to me. This is one of the things that I find very, very challenging, so I try my best. So I kept it very fine. Hopefully you can tell, you can see it there. Now let's move on to doing the leopard print. So to create my leopard spots, I am going to use this glitter polish right here. It's one from NYX. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a name. It's one that I've had for a very, very long time. Now, Robin Moses went ahead and did her own mix of a pink glitter with a clear base. But I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to use my dotting tool. Okay guys, so here it is, the finished product. Now I want you to notice I did show you how I top coat my leopard print, and if you notice I have left the lace part of it untouched with no top coat, and the reason for that is because I wanted to take photos of this mani with, remember that I used the metallic base coat, and I am loving the effect of that look. Okay, so other than me having used the acrylic paint for the striping and then the border around the nail, this is polish, so it will not go anywhere. Okay, if you choose to leave it like that, that will be just totally fine. Now for a more finished look, or to get your manicure to last, you will want to top coat this with a matte top coat to protect the acrylic paint. Okay, unless you of course use nail polish to create your fine lines, and that can be a little difficult sometimes because polish dries a little too fast when you're trying to do detailed work like that. But here it is. I really love the look, and I want to thank you, Robin Moses, of course, for her absolutely gorgeous inspirations, and she was one of my first designers or nail artists to inspire me into nail art, and here I am, what, almost 5 years later? Yes. So thank you very much, Robin Moses, for this inspiration. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.